Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by today's title, I'm going to Himachal. So it's going to be my vacation. As you know, it's summer. So I'm getting ready and here I am. We're going to the station. We will be going by Amritsar Mail. So keep watching. That's my mom. As you can see, it is very cloudy and it looks like it is going to rain, and it does rain eventually. So we are trying to get to the station like as soon as possible, and here we are. We've reached the station and you can see how windy it is. I forgot to film the rest of the video, so this is next day. I reached Lucknow. I really want to get down and buy myself a Lucknow chicken curry suit, but then it's not possible. Um, on the way, I saw this huge group of monkeys, and most of them are like baby monkeys, and they were so cute. Like I tried to get their attention by banging the glass, and then they did look at me. This one was too cute. I don't know, they're so cute from far, and I'm just afraid that if I go in front of them, they're gonna slap me. So it's good this way. Trust me, guys. It's better this way. So after like 2 days, we reached Ambala. Ambala is like a place in Punjab, and we got down before Amritsar. This is like the station, which is called Ambala Cant Junction, and from there we took a car and we are going to Shimla by road. So keep watching. By the way, this is a dhaba that we stopped by, which is also called Simran Dhaba. And as you know, Simran is like a name very famous over here in Punjab. And as I went there, I felt like amazing and so happy that this dhaba is named with my name, and like I feel so grateful. And they were really cute guys, and I really want to spend my life over here, but then it's not possible. So no, let's just not be that delusional. So yeah, we are back on the road. I have visited Shimla when I was like 10 years ago. So that time I didn't visit Kinnaur. I just visited Shimla and Manali, and yeah, it was pretty nice. And that was in the month of December. This is so cinematic. Can you see the trees, guys? Oh my god, these are like pine trees. It's just amazing, and it's so green. It's not like uneven. It's so like natural. I love this city. I love the way it is, and I love the people here. I mean, they're so good. This is Himachal Pradesh, guys. As you can see, we have entered Himachal. Now I think it's Shimla. Yeah, we have entered Shimla. This is the city, guys. It's beautiful. Now, this is where our hotel is situated. This place is called Timber House over there. So here I've reached hotel and now I freshen up, to visit the mall. Today we will be visiting the mall, Shimla mall. So now I'm going upstairs. And I think it's really cold over here. Like, it's so cold. I cannot imagine. Like, right now, Kolkata is probably burning, and over here, I can literally feel my bones. Like I'm shivering. So this is like the mall, Shimla mall. So this is our group. I mean my family, and here we are. So this is it. I will be showing a summer festival, like Shimla summer festival, which is also going on here right now. I will be posting another vlog for that. So stay tuned. And this is me getting dressed to go to Kinnaur. This is the next day. We will be visiting a place called Happy Waterfalls. So I think I'm gonna be adding that over here. So next day we are all prepared for the big journey that is from Shimla to Kinnaur. And at first we will visit Kalpa, and then we will go to Sangla and then Sarahan. So Kalpa is mostly famous for its beauty, its natural scenic beauty of like big mountains. So I am getting pretty bored here because it's a very long journey, and in the group there were some people who were like throwing up because they are having that altitude sickness, which I used to have as well when I was small, but now I've got better in that situation. So it's a win-win situation for me, but then I don't know, I don't like this. So as I was bored, I got down and got some snacks to eat, and I found these are little cute jellies that I used to have when I was in school. So yeah, and this is so yummy. It's like I'm reliving my childhood. Then this was a place, it was like a market or something, and then we got down, we got some snacks and some things, some fruits. I thought of filming this. Hi, watermelon sugar. Hi. So this is a waterfall. Actually, we stopped by this place to have our lunch. It was really pretty, so I thought of filming a dance video. So here is it. We have reached. This is the falls that I was talking about. This is called Happy Waterfalls. We are reaching Kalpa, that is Kinnaur, guys, and I will be posting another vlog, as you know, a part continuation. So don't forget to watch that, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you like these kind of vlogs, then please comment and tell me, and I will be posting more, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.